Ang ating mga kaibigan sa media, kaibigan sa transport sector, kaibigan sa insurance company at saka sa Hermano Sugar. Alam nyo, Hermano Sugar is just a sample ng tutor. Ang mga bagay-bagay na kailangan natin ayusin pagdating sa pag-rehistro, pag-lisensya ng mga driver sa ating masahan. There's much to fix, and nagkataon lang, Hermano is our naging model, no? Pero it doesn't stop there. When we had a public hearing with Hermano, we found out that yung kanilang CPPL, the required ng LTO, na-insure sa ating kaibigan insurance company. So we reached out to the insurance commission, who immediately coordinated, at kaya nga ito, hindi na magpakagalan na kahit konti tulong. We understand it's not enough, it's far from what we would like it to be. Pero any help that can be done will be most appreciated. I'm sure. And we have called it po sa amin to, we will come up with a memorandum reiterating yung protocol pagdating sa aksidente. Na yung, whether it's your fault or not your fault, yung involved accident would have to engage with to assist yung mga nasaktan, nasugaran, para madala agad sa hospital, para ma-remind yung ating mga motorista na kung ano dapat nila gawin in case of an accident, whether it's your fault or not your fault. So yun ang ating ilalagay. Plus, nag-uusap na po ang LTO Insurance Commission on many things. Number one, kung paano natin papapataas yung ating benepisyo. Kasi nangyayari yata na yun for registration purposes o compliance pa. Tapos nakakalimutan na, no? So we want that not to less than what we want. We want the CPPL as required by law to be relevant sa ating mga motorista. Siguro, initially, hindi masyadong critical, no? But gaya na ito, when accident happens, wala nang gusto kong mangyari yan. Ang laking tulong, magkaroon kaagad na assistance coming from the insurance provider. And we've seen this happen many times over. So this is what we'll try to fix. Mabilisan. Hapon, halos na oras sa insurance commission to fix things together. We really need to increase the benefits, no less than the two houses, or the House of Representatives and the Senate. Recently, even si Senator Tulfo has called raised the alarm bells. Pati property damage, gusto nila ilagay. Para naman merong katulong pag nagkaroon, hindi man kailangan mamatay o endure ng property damage, mag-cover yung bukana. And this is what we're doing at right now, kung paano natin magagawa ito without necessarily pushing up the premium too high beyond the reach of our motorists. At saka yung huli, nag-usapan namin sa Insurance Commission, is yung kaagad-agad itulong. Kasi timing is everything pag may aksidente. Importante madala sa hospital kaagad yung mga biktima o yung biktima or immediate assistance. Whether you're a corporation or whether you are an individual, kung meron bigla kaagad-agad na tulong na darating, na ang bagay na agad, hindi mo na inisip kung sa mo bulsa kukunin yan. So we're looking also to that possibility na magkaroon ng hotline na pwedeng i-access ng ating publiko in case of an accident. Para may immediate relief na darating at tulong dun sa mga insured at meron na sila ibigay sa mga insured. That's what we'd like to put together. But today, we are happy that nandito ang ating insurance company and Hermano Sugar to intimate to them. They keep on reaching out to the victims of this unfortunate event para sa ganun kahit paano makatulong sa lahat ng tao natin. So, yun po at Yung sa LTO naman po, alam nyo, ilang dekada na itong CTPL na ito eh. And we like to make sure of two things. Number one, at ito yung puso sa mga sekretary ko, is that kung truck ang insure, dapat yung insurance, truck rin. Minsan kasi nakakalusot. Minsan nakakalusot eh. Somehow, some way, yung truck, ang insurance niya, pang-tricycle. Diba? Mas mura kasi yung tricycle insurance eh. So we are coming up with a system that this will never happen moving forward. Pangalawa, yung tawag dito, yung packet ng packet yung premium eh. Yung napapansin natin yan. Pero, sino ba nag-beneficio sa mataas na premium? Hindi yung motorista. Diba? So sabi ko sa insurance commissioner, the tolerance of the motorist is high. Pero sana mabigyan natin ng beneficio at yung agad-agad na tulong. Kasi kung yung tulong dahil 1 year after, marami na nangyari. These are the things we need to do. Marami rin kami sa LTO na ayusin sistema to avoid itong mga nawawala yung fake policies, mga dual policies, mga policies na hindi tama, hindi angkop dun sa sasakyan. At saka yung inisip na for compliance na ito. So we'd like to ingrain into our motorists, hindi lang for compliance. Nasa batas yan, kasi kung may magyaring problema, may tutulong siya. So, yes, magaling po. Salamat.